Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue when you're modifying registry values and it says error creating key or error creating value. Cannot create key. You do not have the permissions to create a new key under and then whatever subkey you're looking at. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So a couple of things to consider. You may want to try opening up the search menu, and when you type in Registry Edit or Registry Editor, try right-clicking on it and select Run as Administrator. So that's the first thing I recommend trying. If you didn't have that before, that could have been the part of the problem. If you're still having a problem, you can go to the registry key that you're having the problem with, right-click on it, and select Permissions. And then you can go where it says for special permissions or advanced settings, select the Advanced button, select the Add button in here, select where it says Select a Principal, and then you go ahead and type in your user account name, or you can go ahead and select Advanced and then Find Now, and then locate your user account name from this list, and then select OK. OK again. You want to check mark Full Control, and then select OK, and then Apply, OK, and OK again. Just make sure you know what you're doing in the registry when you're trying to access files that you need elevated permissions to access. There's usually a good reason for it, so just keep that in mind. But if you're trying to gain access to a registry value and you're coming across this issue, that should have been able to resolve the problem. So pretty straightforward process, guys. As always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.